A few years back, we sold this as a certified pre-owned vehicle, and that customer recently just exchanged this 2018 Q50 all-wheel drive Sport for a brand new 2023 Q50 Red Sport 400. And that is kind of a segue into my next topic. What is the difference between a Sport and a Red Sport? Well, I'll tell you exactly what the difference is. 2018 is an exciting year for the Q50 because it got a pretty good revision. The exterior and interior is restyled. Most notably, the front fascia was restyled. Really looks beautiful, especially on the Sport and Red Sport models. This one is very well equipped with features. We have an original build sheet on this one. Lots of optional equipment. Okay, so the original MSRP was $51,885. This one has the Essential package, and do keep in mind that the Sport package does have a lot of standard equipment versus the lower trim levels like the Lux or the Q50 Pure. You generally get a lot more standard equipment on the Sport and the Red Sport Q50. So the Essential package, which is this Essential package is specifically for the 3.0 Sport. The Essential package is going to be a little bit different on the Lux Q50. It gives you Infiniti navigation. We have heated front seats, heated steering wheel, and a 60/40 split fold-down rear seat, and remote engine start. Then we have the Pro Assist package. That was $1,650, giving you blind spot warning with a rear cross traffic alert, backup collision intervention, an around view monitor with moving object detection, front and rear sonar system, predictive forward collision warning, forward emergency braking. And then we have the Performance package. That was $1,500. That gives you the dynamic digital suspension, the same suspension on the Red Sport 400. Then you have upgraded Sport brakes with silver painted calipers and steering wheel mounted paddle shifters. Here's the carbon fiber package. So you get a carbon fiber deck lid spoiler, and that's real carbon fiber, not the imitation stuff. So with the Sport package, they give you these nice sport leather seats with extra bolstering to hold you in place during performance driving. We have a nice moonroof, beautiful aluminum trim. We have a drive mode selector here that will make changes to the steering, transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction stability control settings. So you have a lot of different settings, as you can see. And also the top screen is for the navigation and rear parking camera, as well as a 360-degree around view monitor. The bottom screen is a tab-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. You can also access the drive mode selector here. Drill down a little bit deeper if you want. We mentioned we have a nice leather up steering wheel paddle shifters. It tilts and telescopes. 39,292 miles at the time of making this video. We also have heated seats, heated steering wheel, dual zone auto climate control. This Q50 is in excellent shape, has the all-season mats, and it's a really beautiful color. This iridium blue is a rare color. It's so rare, in fact, the previous customer was a little bit hesitant to trade it in because he wanted another blue one, but we have this really cool color called Black Opal. That's a new color for 2023. Luckily that cut is fancy, otherwise it might have been hard to get the customer to trade this beautiful iridium blue Q50 in for that Red Sport. Okay, so we also have the upgraded wheel and tire package. So basically you have the same brakes and suspension as the Red Sport, but the wheel and tire package is slightly less aggressive than what you get on the Red Sport 400. We have the Sport front fascia. I like the contrasting colors. Really is a beautiful looking car. I've been with Infiniti since 2004, so I've seen the Q50 in its whole existence since 2014, and even though I see Q50s every day, sometimes I'll see a clean one just the way the light hits it, and it's just like looking at it's like looking at a model. I mean, sometimes it takes my breath away how pretty they are. And I really do think they're some of the most prettiest, best looking sedans on the road. They have a unique styling to them, unlike anything else. For an engine, we have a twin turbo V6 pumping out 300 horsepower. And that's probably one of the biggest differences between a Sport and a Red Sport is the horsepower. The Red Sport makes another 100 horsepower, so a total of 400 horsepower versus 300. The way the Red Sport gets that extra 100 horsepower is they have a different blade design on the turbos, different exhaust system, and different programming for the engine computer. But I can tell you, with a 300 horsepower, this thing is still very, very quick. So if you're not hung up on having the extra 100 horsepower, the Q50 Sport might be kind of like the Goldilocks Q50 for you. It's a little bit more exciting, a little bit more bolder than the regular kind of vanilla luxe version of the Q50, but not super high octane like the Red Sport. There's that beautiful carbon fiber spoiler. Lots of cargo space, and of course this has the optional fold down rear seats, and then we have the cargo area protector. Well, there you have it, one beautiful example of a Q50 Sport 2018. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully see you soon, and have a wonderful day.